We've had a lot of snow, and so there's like dirt, grass, and all sorts of things over on the floorboard. But as you can see, the vacuum cleaner does a wonderful job. This is a pretty high powered vacuum cleaner, but the sound is kind of quiet, so it's not super loud, but it does get the job done. So this is how it sounds in my car without any audio adjustments. So the VacLife handheld vacuum cleaner is simple to use, it's great quality and cost effective, cordless, convenient for both home and car use, and it comes in various color options, and it also has 3 attachments, so it's fully equipped for all around cleaning. And I'm so excited to tell you all that VacLife is offering you 15% off of their website. It's an exclusive discount. The discount will be in the description box below, and it will also be the first comment on this video. So if you have trouble finding it, please let me know and I can give you the direct link. And they're also going to be offering 15% off of Amazon, so you'll get a discount on Amazon or on their website, however you like to shop. But if you are in the market for a handheld vacuum cleaner, like I said before, I've had one of these previously and I use it every time I need to pick up something really easy. And then also I ended up, because now I have 2, I ended up keeping this one in the trunk of my car, and I think that is great if you're a mom or you just have a filthy car all the time like myself. Then you can just keep the vacuum cleaner in the trunk of your car and use it whenever you need it. Alright, so